Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, September 11th. As you can see, now I am in New York, or to be precise, in Connecticut, in one of my favorite places with my friend, my favorite views. So I thought I'll record a couple here so that you can enjoy it as well. Anyway, today's Zen story is titled The Rope That Remembers Names. The market appeared like a mirage, woven, awning fluttering in the heat, tables overflowing with objects both strange and shining, voices weaving over each other like vines. The monkey was immediately at home. "Oh, trinkets!" he cried, darting from stall to stall. "Is it too early to buy enlightenment, or do I need exact change?" The monk walked more slowly, eyes catching glimpses: a jar of bottled shadows, a lute strung with silence, a wheel that spun but didn't move. Then they saw the bracelet stall. Dozens of small rope bracelets, each tied around a wooden peg. Each one bore a small paper tag with a name handwritten in faded ink: Hope, Fear, Echo, Midnight, Breath, Regret, Home. The vendor was ancient, folded in on himself like an unused fan. He didn't speak at first, just held out a bowl. The monkey reached in without hesitation. It pulled out a red bracelet with gold thread woven through. The tag read, "Victory." "Well, obviously," said the monkey, slipping it on. "This one knows who's the boss." The monk hesitated. "Go on," said the monkey. "Pick one. Or are you afraid of who you'll be?" The monk reached in. His fingers brushed several chords. Then one curled around his wrist on its own. He lifted it out. The bracelet was plain, frayed at the edges, soft with wear. Its tag was blank. "No name?" asked the monk. The vendor smiled for the first time. "Not yet." The monkey snorted. "Psh, defective. You should get a refund." They left the market, walking until the crowds faded and the sky stretched wide. That night, after the fire had burned low, the monk sat cross-legged with the bracelet in his palm. The monkey was asleep, snoring quietly, one paw draped dramatically over its face. In the hush of the hour, the bracelet gave a tiny sound, a hum, faint as memory, soft as breath, and then silence again. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Can you trust something before you understand it? And are you willing to let its meaning reveal itself over time? Can you trust something before you understand it? And are you willing to let its meaning reveal itself over time? Now bring your hands to your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Can you trust something before you understand it? And are you willing to let its meaning reveal itself over time? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.